Hey everybody, so today what I'm going to do is I got to take down the trampoline. The snow melted, so I wanted to get it done before it snowed, but it just plopped on us, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now, get that all taken care of. Alright, so what I found that helps me when I'm putting away the trampoline is to leave a few of the springs on and to fold it up while it's still stretched out. Otherwise, you need a second person. The kids aren't going to help you with that. They don't want it to go down. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button with the bell notification so you don't miss out any of our new videos. When you get to this point on a trampoline, alright, so what I like to do is now I'll lock these two together and I'll grab a hold of this spring. I'll have two extra springs so I can reach. You gotta keep tension on that other side, otherwise it'll fall. But now you see how I've got that. Let me get down here. So now I got it just basically like a little cradle. And what I'll do is I'll unlatch this. I'll unlatch here and here, and I'll just fold it up as I go. Now you can see it. Neatly packed. Alright, I'm going to try and fold it one more time. Go this way. Now bungee it together. Here, right on over here, that spot. This is CFF. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.